So this presentation I am going to describe the new features available in our one standard deviation app. I have just opened up the app, and here this is the two new features I was talking about. Stock scanner and option scanner. So this is stock scanner, it groups the stocks based on their trend breakout. So often you used to ask me that though honesty is a good method, but how I know that which stock is in the uptrend, which stock is in the downtrend and all. So for all stock futures, we have enabled that feature. So 27th July, I have selected intraday. I've just loaded the data. So once I load data, we are going to filter it into 5 groups. So one is the uptrend, downtrend, those stocks which has given gap up, gap down, stock which has opened between the buy and sell. And this report will be updated between 9:22, 9:40. So this period will be updating because faster 10 to 15 minute period we just want to give the market to stabilize. So and here also one thing I wish to remind you, stock is in the uptrend. It doesn't mean that the stock which has given uptrend breakout, it will remain throughout the day. It may change the trend also. However, these groupings we have done based on the opening. So we have just stock in the uptrend. I'm going to analyze. It is telling me 23 stocks it has given uptrend. So this is how the stocks, these are the list of the stocks which has in the uptrend. So I have checked, just click the Davis Lab and I'll click it, I'll get the targets. However, if it is telling me 676.8, so 677 above, it is the uptrend. Though it has given an uptrend breakout, here I am going to buy. And this will be my stop loss 673. And below that, the downtrend will start. So I will follow these levels. And for the most concurrent analysis also, I can just go to the equity and futures, equity future option. I can go for stock futures, and I can go for Davis Laboratory, save, and I will load data because this is the most concurrent thing I can get. That is based on the opening. However, this is the most concurrent thing I can get it. Most concurrent thing post that opening. That most concurrent things that with the volatility and other things, the real-time volatility estimate and other things I can get it. So this is first cycle, second cycle, third cycle. So that is just an estimation that to give you a on-hand information that how many stocks are in the uptrend, how many are in the downtrend, and how many are given you in the gap up or gap down, so that you can have a clear-cut view on the market. So the basic assumption is any stock given a uptrend breakout, majority of the time it maintains. Any stock given a downtrend breakout opening basis, majority of the time it maintains. So here I have just chosen the downtrend breakout. So 11 stocks I am getting for the downtrend. So if I just select any of the stock and I will go for the new targets, I can just get their trend analysis. But it is only for one cycle I can get. So if I want the other cycles, I have to move to that section of equity and future. There I need to do. So same way you can reanalyze and go for the stocks which has given the gap up action. So here 23 stocks has given a gap up action. So their list also stocks which has given the gap down action. So 16 stocks has given a gap down action. So this is also one list you can get. So Ravinda Pharma we are getting gap down action. So these are the stock which has given you gap down action. And we can also get the list of the stocks which is between the buy and sell entries. So these are the quiet stocks and they have not given any trend breakout. They may give the trend breakout, so their number and their names is being given here. So I can choose any of the stocks and I can just reanalyze their values. So this is the all stock futures we have grouped based on their uptrend breakout, downtrend breakout, gap up, gap down, and those who have not given anything. So here you must ask me, what does this selection means? So stocks which has given you uptrend breakout, stocks which has given you gap up action. So these are the stocks are prompting you or having a greater probability to maintain the uptrend for the day. However, once again I will repeat, that doesn't mean that the trend will never change. Trend will change. This is just a based on the opening we have estimation. So these stocks in the downtrend, stocks given the gap down, this group of stocks is in the downtrend. You may think of selling these stocks or selling will be more rewarding. And these are the stocks which has never given a breakout, trend breakout in the opening basis. They may give the trend breakout in the future. So these are the benefits of grouping these things and to know clearly that which stocks belong to which group today. So this is one of the feature. And second feature, we have given the option scanner. Once you go to this option scanner, you can go for any kind of option, stock option or index option. You need to select the expiry and you have to go for the load data. So here we have grouped the stock options into call, put and all. So here I have gone for the all options and here I am going for analyze. So analyze. So this is analyze. So here option scanner. Once more I will go for that. And I am going for index future. I have selected the expiry data. So here I just want that three ways we can able to filter. Suppose I have given a call option. So I am giving you conditions whether it is greater than equal to, less than equal to, or none of these things. I can also go for the parameters like calls, the best call strike I can buy in uptrend, best call strike I can sell in downtrend. These are the options. So I'm just selecting the call option. And conditions, I want the call options greater than equal to the last traded price. So I have just selected the greater than equal to, I'm just selecting the last traded price. I'm just analyzing. So these are the options is in the above the last traded price. So call options above the last traded price and their analysis. What premium they have traced, what is their IV at buy entry price level, what will be their premium when the Nifty goes to the target 1, what will be their premium when Nifty goes to target 2, target 3, what will be their premium. And their downtrend, currently they are 80. Once the Nifty goes to the downtrend sell entry level, what will be its target and other things. Suppose if you are buying at 87, currently at 81, if you are buying at 88 buy entry level, then you must put a stop loss at 78. So more refining we can do in here. So I'll go for the area analyze. So this is the call option greater than equal to I have selected. Call to buy in the uptrend. So call to buy in the uptrend. So these are the strikes I can buy in the uptrend. These are the call strikes I can buy in the uptrend. So if I'm buying, I must buy at the level of 87.93 and my first target will be 91, second target will be 93, 95, like that way. And if I'm just going for buying this particular option at 88, my stop loss will be 79. So this is the calls to buy in the uptrend. Same way the calls to sell in the downtrend. So if the downtrend is starting off, then calls to sell in the downtrend. And do not forget, this is all call strikes above the last traded price. This selection is being done and calls to sell in the downtrend is being selected. So these are the strikes of calls I can sell also in the downtrend. So any one of the strike I can choose based on my requirement. So if I am selling at 79, so my stop loss will be 88, currently at 80. So my first target will be 76, second target 74, third will be 72 and fourth will be 68, fifth will be 67. So 7 targets whatever is there that will have also. Just you have to click on the reanalyze. So same way the calls to buy in the uptrend, calls to buy in the downtrend you have selected. So you can go for the puts puts, you can to check a condition less than last traded price, less than last traded price, you can select analyze all put strikes less than the last traded price, that you will get it here. And if you hit the reanalyze button, you will go to again for condition generator, where you can just put to sell in the uptrend. So put to sell in the uptrends it has given, and same way put to buy in the uptrend also, downtrend also it will give you. These are the puts you can buy in the downtrend. So downtrend. So these are the things it is giving you. So if you want all strikes of the put, so this is less than equal to condition I have put it. I can put it greater than. So puts greater than last traded price and to sell in the uptrend, greater than last traded price and to sell in the uptrend, that also you can get it. These are the strikes above the last traded price now, and it should be sell in the downtrend. So this is one group. One more group also we have given you, not greater than, less than, this is just equal. So you can say puts strikes between buy entry and targets. So sell entry and targets. So which are the puts falling between the buy entry and targets? So these are the put strikes is coming. So I can think of in uptrend to sell that buy entry and targets. Between that, these puts are falling. I can think of selling these put options in the uptrend. So same way, sell entry and the targets. So these are the puts I can buy. So these are the puts are coming in the sell entry and the target 7. So these two strikes I can buy in case of a downtrend. I have not taken any greater than, less than condition. I have just taken that, I have just overriding this condition. So this condition not required, neither greater than nor less than. Then I am going for best weekly buy entry uptrend. So here best weekly options to buy in the uptrend. So here, so the puts which you can, so here I can select a call, and so best call options to buy for weekly in the uptrend. So best weekly buy in the uptrend. So I will analyze it. So these are the strikes I can buy for weekly level in case of an uptrend. So same way, the best weekly sell. So definitely this should be the call only. So these are the strikes also I can think of selling in case of a downtrend. So same way I can select a put option, put options to buy in case of a trend, and put options to sell in case of a downtrend. So these are the things also is being given. So this is regrouping the options, and many other things also we will add in future. So these are the things based on you have an entire basket of options. How do you decide that which option I should buy, which option I should sell at a particular time, which strike I should choose? So these are the things is getting simplified by addition of these two conditions. And the earlier features are intact. Option, equity analysis, individual analysis, everything is intact. These are the new features of that. Start using it in case of any query, put an email.